welcome back. Scorpio Entertainment.
Okay, this is it, guys. So time to make the flour dumpling, guys. Some people love it with cornmeal, some people love it without cornmeal. Me and my side, me love it with cornmeal and me love it without cornmeal. So let's make the cornmeal flour. Put some salt to it, stir it up, then we're gonna add little water to it. When we add the water, we start meal the flour. Alright. Then we're gonna make some dumpling. We're gonna make some, we call it cartwheel dumpling. So we're gonna make some cartwheel flour dumpling. And we're gonna drop it right into the pot. Continue to watch. Alright, take the cover off just like that. Yeah. Yeah, man. First dumpling. First cartwheel dumpling for going to the pot. Just like that. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. And yo, I want to make some shout out, you know. Yeah, I want to make some shout out right now. All of my viewers, all my subscribers, big up on yourself. From all around the world, you know. Yeah. One more dumpling to the pot. One more cartwheel dumpling. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I gotta speed it up a little bit, alright? Yeah. And as I say, I have some shout out to make, so let's go. So I wanna make a shout out to each and everyone around the world that's watching my video. And I really would appreciate it if y'all subscribe to my channel. As I said, big up to my Uganda subscriber, all my Uganda people. Shout out to y'all. You know what I mean, Kenya. I want to say big shout out to all my Uganda people around the world, you know. Yeah, I'm a subscriber from Uganda. Shout out to y'all. I really appreciate it. Shout out to Rip TV. Yeah, I'm gonna put the info so y'all can go over there and check out Rip TV. Thank you for the subscribe. Big shout out to everyone around the world. All my Uganda people, shout out to y'all, man. My Kenya people, shout out to y'all. Yeah, I really appreciate everyone who subscribed to my channel so far. Yeah, and I just want to make a big shout out to Mr. Roland Travel. Description is right there. Y'all can go over there and check it out. Big shout out to Amber Chin, Melvin I, respect, yeah. Jason D Hal, shout out to you, man. Thank you for that. You know, Emma, yep. else? Shauna Lewis, shout out to you. I really appreciate it, you know. So as I said, I'm just shouting out to all my subscribers, my loyal subscribers and all that, you know. Yeah, I got some loyal subscribers coming on, man. You know what I mean? Snisha, shout out to you. Terry Lovelet, shout out to you. I don't know if I call your name already, Terry Lovelet. Really appreciate it, you know what I mean? Who else? Terry Lewis, shout out to you, Terry Lewis. Get Steve V, y'all can go over there and get Steve V subscribe. Let him know it's all your entertainment in y'all. Okay? Yeah, man. We're gonna keep it going. Alright? Who else I gotta shout out? I wanna shout out Zion Kush, you know what I mean? I see you, Zion Kush. Shout out to you, thank you. So yeah, man, I just wanna make a shout out to all my loyal subscribers, man. You know what I mean? And I really appreciate it. Big up to my Kenya, my Uganda people, big up to y'all. You know what I mean? And I got more contents coming for y'all. Keep watching, like, share, hit that notification button and subscribe. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I think we should speed it up a little bit more. Let's go. Talking about that, but is crowded right now. So let's see. I'm gonna try put some in the bottom. So let's speed it up once again, guys, so that we don't be watching this forever. But I want y'all to see everything that's going on. So we're gonna speed it up again. Let's go, let's get it. Okay guys, now that we have all the earth food in the bottom of the pot, we should be good. Alright? So give it to like the next 15 to 20 minutes and everything should be done cooked. Alright, let's get it. Now we got the saltfish right there. Back to the pot again. Another view. It's boiling up like crazy now. So everything is cooking, guys. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna cover it again. Back to the saltfish. Got the vegetable cut up right there and all that, all the seasoning, you know. So now we boiling the saltfish. We trying to boil the salt off the saltfish. I boiled it like 3 times, guys. Like 3-4 times I boiled the saltfish. Alright, now we're gonna strip it. We're gonna strip it and take all the meat from the bone. Alright, so we're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna strip it, then I'm gonna use some hot water. There we go. That's all the bones and stuff. That's the meat right there, guys. So now we're gonna use some hot water to just rinse it off again, okay? So we're gonna pour some hot water into it and give it an extra wash. We're gonna pour it right in the frying pot with them seasoning. All them cut up onions, you know, sweet pepper, and all that good stuff. It's good, guys. And it's easy to cook. Now we got the pot on the fire. We're gonna put the saltfish in there. So if you cook with the season, right? With all the onion and stuff. Onion, tomatoes, sweet pepper. I forgot to slice up some garlics. Anyway, guys, that's the ackee right there. And I don't really put no seasoning like black pepper and stuff like that. I already put it underneath. As I said, I didn't put no garlic in there, but lucky I got the seasoning, the garlic seasoning, garlic powder. So I put some garlic powder in there. And yeah, in the next 5-8 minutes, you'll say this is finished. So it's easy, y'all can try it. You know, follow the steps and just try it. And that's the beautiful finished meal right there, guys. And that's Emma food. Emma doesn't eat a lot of earth food, but she loves her dumpling. Yeah, you have to try it out, guys. It's very delicious, and I'm sure y'all will enjoy it.